Hi, my name's AJ. I'm with Cater's Tech Services, and today I'd like to talk to you about hard drives. If you have a computer, you have a hard drive in it. But the hard drive I'd like to talk about is something called a solid-state hard drive. What makes that different from a regular hard drive is that it's solid-state, it's faster, more reliable, and more durable. The reason it's more durable is because in the name, solid state, there are no moving parts as opposed to a regular hard drive. Now, if you're in the market for a hard drive upgrade or any other tech services, you can stop by Cater's, where we make technology simple.